Affiliate marketing basics you cannot live without. Affiliate marketing is a subject where you can keep on expanding your information on and keep on applying that knowledge. It doesn't matter if you are new or old to affiliate marketing, the more you learn is beneficial to you. In this video there are plenty of tips that you should find informative about affiliate marketing. If you are depending on affiliate marketing for your full or even part-time income, good time management is essential. It's easy to get caught up in researching your product or even in watching your email. Track what you do each day and how long it takes you to complete each of your tasks, so that you can see how your earnings break down compared to the time you're spending. It is best to hide purchase links to an affiliate's product a few pages deep in a website. This cushions the casual visitor from hard sell techniques and ensures that visitors who find the affiliate link do so because they have a genuine interest in the product. The pages leading to the product link should encourage this interest. Make sure your links go where your readers expect them to. This may seem obvious, but some affiliates will list links under the incorrect heading. Always test the links yourself, several times. Readers want to click the link and be taken to the product in question. They are much less likely to buy if they have to hunt around for the product you were talking about. With all of this information you have just read about, you should have learned some new tips about affiliate marketing. Just remember to always keep an open mind to learning new knowledge, and to not be afraid to use that new knowledge. The tips you just learned should help you with affiliate marketing, so don't neglect these tips when trying to be successful. Now that you got a clear idea about what affiliate marketing is, are you ready to start affiliate marketing for 100% free? Today, you can stop being a wantrepreneur to become a real entrepreneur. Click the link in the description to be taken step by step on the journey of becoming an expert in affiliate marketing. Imagine where you would have been if you took this step a year or a few months ago. Every journey starts by taking the first step. You are opportune to start today for 100% free. Take the right step and click the link in the description.